I believe it is critical to now make use of all available legal avenues to hold those perpetrating or complicit in the commission of atrocity.
When you talk about all legal avenues, what are you referring to here?
Yeah, what I'm referring to, I mean, there is an ongoing investigation by the ICC. We're aware of that, and further submissions to the ICC and pressure on the ICC prosecutor Karim Khan is critical. And there is also the opportunity offered by the Genocide Convention for states to engage the International Court of Justice, including an urgent request for provisional measures.
Why do you think that we still haven't seen a state invoke that genocide convention yet, Lex?
Well, one of the main reasons is, I think, honestly, fear of taking on Israel and by extension the US and Europe. There are 153 states party to the Genocide Convention. They're roughly the same states that supported the recent General Assembly resolution, but putting, expressing strong denunciation is one. Taking legal action in a court of law, and especially in the World Court, is critical, is quite a threshold. And yet, in face of the prima facie, evidence that we are seeing, it's critical that one or more of the 153 states parties step up to this pressure and do the right thing, as Myanmar, as Gambia did in the case of Myanmar with respect to the genocide against the Rohingya. And finally, there's also a multitude of avenues through national courts. Quite a few have already been pursued in the US, in the Netherlands, in the UK, in Scandinavia, but much more can be done. And there is a lot of collaboration between lawyers around the world and supported by Palestinian human rights organizations. And this is really, really critical at the present time. Only efforts at accountability can bring, restraint by the party and those complicit in the ongoing genocide.
Okay, well.